Hey guys, let's see how to change the laptop name in a Windows 11. Super simple. Just come here and press the Window key and the letter I, and you're gonna see this pop-up screen. All right, and then you just come here and click on rename. You see that I have the Dell laptop as the name of my computer. Then I can just change here, let's say my Dell. Okay, and then you cannot use spaces. Let's say you wanna have some extra information here. You can use dash, for example, my Dell laptop. Okay, that's the way to go. So you can use a combination of letters, hyphens, and numbers. Then you just hit next, wait for it to apply, and you're good to go. Okay, so after you restart your PC, you change the name to my Dell dash laptop. I just need to restart and I'm good to go. So that's the way you can rename your laptop on Windows 11. I hope this helps. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.